Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. We are here at the shop, another shop day. We're going to be working on the E46 behind me. It is a wagon 325 Xi. I actually used to own this car, and now my good friend Colin here owns it. He bought it from me, and we're going to end up doing just a muffler delete on it, give it a little more sound, make it a little more fun, because it is super slow and it's just purely a dad wagon, and we want to liven it up a little bit, so we're gonna get to that. Like butter.
There goes one. I don't know how to get this right here. Okay, I mean, angle her down if you can. I got her!
Weight reduction. All the weight has just been lost from this car. It's now gonna go about
10 seconds in a quarter mile.
Probably 10 seconds in the quarter, like he said. All right, look at that. Incredibly straight cuts. Wow. Like a professional. So the idea is just to run some adapters because we're cheap like that and aren't really that much of fabrication type people. We're just gonna
dump it out the side of the exhaust, or bumper.
Well, not exactly like that, but they're actually gonna be straight. Oh yeah, like that. Straight back. And should be sounding good in no time. So this is what we came up with for doing 3-inch. It's kind of blast pipe. Just straight pipe. Got a couple of adapters because we're doing this cheap and easy. And at this point, we're just gonna tack everything together and weld it all up. And then just gonna make a hanger just to space it out a little bit right in these tips here. And then also to hang it, it's not much weight, so we're just gonna do one hanger versus the two because this muffler was like 50 pounds.
Yeah, kick it so people can see the weight.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get to doing that then. So everything's all tacked up. All we're gonna do is just drop it down, weld it up, and then make our hangers. So while he's welding everything up, I went out and got a visit from Uncle Rodney, and we got some nice hang rod, and that'll work out perfect for this. So here we are, the bracket made this up for the hanger. It's gonna hang up there. Just like that. It's tacked up. Look at those beautiful welds. We got 3-inch. It's clamped together right now until the hanger's in there so that it has nice even tips. Got a little bit of poke on them. It's gonna look fantastic. So just gonna finish weld and then we'll see how it sounds. right, so here's the finished project. Actually, it looks really awesome underneath here. Dual 3-inch. Fits up pretty nice. That was exhausting. Fire it up. A lot more throaty than I expected. So, not as loud. Yeah, it's not very loud, but sounds a lot good. Sounds a lot better than it did. Back. Oh,
Yeah, just leave her that way.
all right. So here we are. We're in the industry park, and we're gonna go get some clips, drive it around, see what it sounds like inside. Make sure it's not droning horribly and a terrible decision. All right, let's go. Woo! Meaty. Car really does sound awesome compared to how it did. It was super quiet before. Love it. Oh, here it goes. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. We did. It's a really fun car. I really enjoyed this project because I didn't have to do any of the work hardly.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
To my YouTube channel.
Well, it's my YouTube channel, but Colin's starting one here soon, right?
No.
Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next time.